In this video, I'll show you how to get better answers from Claude AI. By improving the way you ask questions, you can get clearer and more useful responses. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" The first tip is to be clear and specific with your prompt. Instead of asking something very general, try to include details about what you want. For example, instead of typing, "Explain marketing," I could type, "Explain digital marketing for beginners with simple examples." After typing my prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a response based on the information I provided. Another way to get better answers is to add context to your request. For example, I might say, "I'm writing a blog post about healthy eating. Give me 5 topic ideas." You can also ask Claude to format the answer in a specific way, such as a list, summary, or step-by-step guide. For example, I might type, "Give me a step-by-step guide." If the answer isn't exactly what I want, I can simply ask a follow-up question or refine my prompt to get a better result. And that's it. By writing clear prompts and providing helpful details, you can get better answers from Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.